Well, hi there. Lorrie here on Vancouver Island. And if you don't know where Vancouver Island is, we are off of the west coast of Canada. So a lot of people confuse Vancouver Island with Vancouver, and they are nearby. I mean, Vancouver is one of the big cities nearest to us, but we do have to take a ferry for an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on which route you go, to get to Vancouver. So we're actually a big island across the, I don't even remember what the name of the water is, but there's water. There's water there. Anyway, so we are on a great big island. So yeah, if you didn't know that, that's where we are. So what I wanted to talk about today, and this is a little bit off from my usual vlogs or whatever, where we're just having fun, but I did want to talk a little bit about the direction of my channel and what my plans are for 2021 and kind of what my goals are for 2021. So I actually wrote them down because that's what you do. So one of the things that I want to do, of course, is reach 1,000 subscribers. So my goal at this time last year was, I believe, to reach either 50 or 100 subscribers. And I have far surpassed that goal. But my goal now really is just to get to 1,000 and be able to get that community tab, because that's kind of important to me. I want to be able to like send messages and communicate more with people, because I'm finding that that is what this is becoming more of a tool for me too. So that was goal number one, is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Goal number two for my channel is to develop my Techy Tuesday live feeds. So I used to teach technology to teenagers. I did, for 5 years, I taught at the Siletz Valley School in Siletz, Oregon, and I taught subjects like computer basics and video training and photography and what else did I teach? Leadership. Just a variety of, you know, the fun, the fun technical programs. I did yearbook and newsletter and just all that kind of stuff, right? So I know how to take the technology stuff down to its very basic levels so that it's easier to understand. And I know that that's a problem for a lot of people, is not really having that base understanding of what's going on with the computer. And then, I mean, once you have that base understanding of a lot of the little stuff, then you can build on that and you can develop that. But sometimes when you're struggling with the very basics and you don't really understand how to get the results that you want to get, I'm really good at breaking that down for people. And Mom says that I was a great teacher, and some of my students that I'm still in contact with, I don't know if any of them watch my YouTube channel. They don't comment if they do. But yeah, some of them have said that I'm a pretty good teacher. So I think that that would be something useful that I could bring into my channel. And I know that I've really kind of kept my work side off of my channel because it's been more about my hobbies and the things that I do for fun, like gardening and art and well, cooking. I don't know how fun that is, but it is a necessity, and I guess I'm pretty good at it, so it's fun to share that kind of stuff too. But really, technology is where I'm at. So I think that that would be something good to develop, is my Techy Tuesday. And then I like to do goals in threes, and I haven't really thought much about goal number 3 for my channel, so I'm still kind of working on that. But yeah, so, that's the other thing, is to start remembering to tell you to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And hey, did you know that I have a website? So I do sell, or I'd like to sell my art. I have a vast stockpile of it that is starting to fill up my house and makes me hesitant to make any more because it just all is piling up here. I do give it away a lot, but I sell it too, and I have several pieces on my website, and I also do commission pieces. If you want a specific color set, or you want, a combination clock and coasters and trivets for the kitchen, and you want a whole set kind of thing, I do those as well. So that's something that you can email me and find out. So my website is just lorriesims.com, and it's LorrieSyms.com. lorriesims.com. That is my website. That is also my email, is lorriesims.com. So you can always reach me there. You can also reach me at lorriesims@gmail.com, any one of those. But yeah, take a look at my website and let me know what you think of it. I'm still working on it. I tend to work on the websites that I actually get paid to work on more often than I work on my own website. So I am spending a little bit of time today doing that, kind of updating it a little bit and moving some stuff around and going through the products and seeing what I still have and what I've given away. And I guess now I need to get my trivets on there. I need to package up the one that's going to Simply Jan. I'm just waiting to hear about her favorite colors. And I've got one going to Rose for that also Let's Make Soup Wars giveaway. And yeah, and then we're gonna look forward to a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So, tell people. I'm not that far away. I'm almost to 850, I think. I keep going. I go up and down. I actually hit 850 after doing the La La Live, and then it dropped back down to 843, and then it went up to 846, and then down to 844, and it's somewhere in there. 840 something is where I'm at, and I try not to stress about it too much, but I do want to hit 1,000 subscribers in 2021. And really, my biggest goal for my channel is to just keep having fun with it. I love the memories that I'm making of my family, and I know that one day one of us is going to be left here alone in this big old rambling house, and whomever that is will have these memories to look back on and cherish. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So anyway, that's my video for today. This is January 3rd, 2021. Don't forget to join me on my live, and sorry, I should have had this up, but let me just double check the time. Techy Tuesday, Basics of TubeBuddy is what we're going to do, what we're going to talk about on Tuesday. I'm just going to kind of walk you through. Okay, so it is at 2:30 p.m. 2:30, Tuesday, January 5th, 2:30 Pacific time. And yeah, that's where we'll go live with Techy Tuesday, and we're just going to talk about TubeBuddy. So if you don't have TubeBuddy downloaded yet, you should do that. Get it downloaded, get it attached to your page, and we will go through getting that set up, and then we'll kind of cover just what the basics of what it means and what it helps you with, and what all the different sections of it mean, and where you find it, and how you can use it really easily. So yeah, that's what we're going to talk about on Tuesday. So I hope you will join me, and I will see you soon. Take care of yourself. Bye now.